know where to see Santa this weekend?
I don't know. Where?
Do you want to see some Christmas lights?
Who doesn't want to see some lights?
We have a list. A list
Of good places?
And even better,
The best places
to go.
That's right. We got the best places to go. Good afternoon, everyone. Today is Friday, December 16th, and you know what that means? It's a
Funky
Fresh
Friday
here at Academy Mortgage. Hey, I'm Rob.
And I'm John, guys.
Hey, and we're here to tell you about some cool, fun holiday things happening this weekend, guys.
And what's up first, Rob?
Well, first off, John, we want to wish everyone a happy National Chocolate Covered Anything Day. That's right, John. December 16th offers the chocolate day everyone has been waiting for. On this day, dip and drizzle your favorite foods in every kind of chocolate imaginable. John, I got to ask you, what's your favorite thing to cover in chocolate?
Rob, honestly, I like everything in chocolate, but my favorite's peanut butter.
Oh,
what's up next, by the way?
What's up next, John? Well, good news is, guys, is that if you have any last-minute things that you want to make sure you tell Big Santa about, pay attention, guys, because we've got the list where you will absolutely be sure to see the jolly old elf himself.
We'll go down to SanTan Village Shopping Center in Gilbert, good through the 24th.
Guys, Christmas at the Princess in Scottsdale, now through January 2nd.
Desert Sky Mall in Phoenix, and that's through the 24th at Court B by Men's House.
Guys, Santa's going to be at the Chandler Fashion Center in Chandler, now through December 24th, lower level by Macys.
Can't forget about Arrowhead Mall in Glendale. Through the 24th at Penney Court.
Ooh, that's a good place. That's a good place. How about Santa and Wonderland at the SanTan Mountain Regional Park? Why not?
Woo! And of course, McCormick Stillman Railroad Park, and that's through the 23rd from 6 p.m. to 9:30 every night.
Ooh, I like this one. Santa's Magic Experience at the Phoenix Zoo, nightly, now through December 23rd. Might even see the reindeer there.
Well, if you want to catch that again, you missed a few, just rewind it a few times, play it as many times as you need.
Guys, we know there's a lot of info, so go back and see as much as you need. But you know what, though? The big question now, we know where Santa's going to be, but how about some lights? Do you want to see some Christmas lights?
They're not twinkling.
They're not twinkling. Thanks for noticing, Dad. All right, guys, we've got some places, so get ready.
Christmas.
And here's where you can go see some lights. Go!
Lights are at Christmas at the Princess in Scottsdale, 7575 East Princess Drive, Scottsdale, now through January 2nd, 5:30 to 10:30 p.m. every night.
Nice. Guys, while you're seeing Santa at the zoo, see the lights. Zoo lights at the Phoenix Zoo, 455 North Gavin Parkway, now through January 15th, Monday through Sunday, 5:30 to 10 p.m.
And, of course, Scottsdale World of Extravaganza, 7447 East Indian School Road, Suite 301, Scottsdale, and that's through the 31st of December.
Ooh. And, guys, the World of Illumination has 3 different sites for you. 3 different sites.
First at Rock Christmas at Six Flags Hurricane Harbor.
That's sweet. Then we've got the Enchanted Safari at Desert Diamond Casino.
And, of course, Candy Rush at Tempe Diablo Stadium.
Ooh, I drive by that one all the time, guys. And one of my favorites, Las Noches de las Luminarias, right? At the Desert Botanical Garden, 120 North Gavin Parkway. That's weekends from 5:30 to 9:30.
Can't, of course, forget Glendale Glitters, and that's downtown Glendale, Murphy Park, now through the 7th, actually, of January, from 5 to 10 p.m. every night.
Ooh, who doesn't like to see a train covered in lights at McCormick Stillman Railroad Lights? That's 14629 West Peoria in Waddell, now through December 26th, 6 to 9:30. Go see the light up train.
And, of course, Lights at the Farm, that's at 4011 South Power Road, Mason, now through December 30th.
Back to Waddell, guys, for Desert Farm Lights, 12629 Peoria in Waddell, now through January 8th. That's 5:30 to 10 p.m.
Once again, we did go through a bunch, so if you need to rewind a few times, feel free.
Guys, watch as many times as you need. Pause. Take notes. We want to make sure you guys don't miss your chance to see Santa, and you don't miss a chance to see some beautiful lights. And now, guys, we've got our Radio Shack Presents segment.
You got questions?
Hey, we've got answers. These are our answers to your mortgage-related queries.
And, of course, today's question comes from Dennis in Scottsdale. Thanks again, Dennis, for reaching out.
You know, Dennis asks, he says, I see everyone saying it's a great time to buy a house, and what's the big deal? What's the big deal about buying a house? And why should I even consider buying a house?
That is an excellent question, Dennis. Thanks again for sending that in. With the spirit of our list today, here are the top 10 reasons to buy a house.
Number 10, Dennis, you may enjoy homeownership health benefits. Believe it or not, guys, a 2019 survey of Habitat for Humanity homeowners found that 74% saw an increase in their family's health. So you're not, and one of the main reasons, you're not at the mercy of the landlord to fix that moldy pipe or that plumbing problem or the heater that doesn't work well in the wintertime, guys.
Absolutely. And of course, number 9, your family may benefit from the community you invest in as a homeowner. Owning a home adds an element of stability to your day-to-day living that renting just can't match. Studies have consistently shown that homeownership contributes to a higher education for high school graduates, rates as well as qualifications for college education for children as well.
Outstanding. Number 8, right? You can make the home your own, whether you want to paint the child's room a goofy color, customize a game room in the basement, make a big sweet man cave,
Cool.
right? Owning a home gives you the power to modify it any way you choose, and guess what? You don't have to ask anybody's permission. Have a ball and take those 9 trips to Lowe's to finish one
Or
project.
daily trips.
Oh my gosh.
Number 7, you build credit. A case study on millennial users by the My Lending Tree platform found millennial homeowners have a median credit score of 692 compared to the 601 score for non-homeowners. Higher credit scores actually give homeowners an extra advantage.
Wow, 90 points, that's big.
Huge.
Number 6, tax deduction. That's right. One major benefit of owning a home is the mortgage interest deduction, right? Home mortgage interest is tax deductible, which means a reduction in federal taxes that you owe at the end of the year. How about that?
Keep a little more in your pocket.
Yeah, man.
And of course, keeping money in a pocket, you can also convert your home equity to cash. And there's several ways to actually tap into your home equity. Lenders don't restrict for cash use for like paying off financial stuff. Maybe you have a financial goal, you're trying to invest in something, debt consolidation, you're trying to pay off home improvements, business startup maybe, or of course just real estate investment portfolio building. You can always use money for that.
Maybe buy another house. Number 4, you can use home equity to build wealth, right? Generational wealth. The ability to build equity from regular monthly payments combined with housing price appreciation gives homeowners a powerful advantage over renters in building their net worth.
And of course, number 3, your home value will rise over time. It's almost a guarantee. If you look at graphs of the home values since the 1960s, the one thing that's clear is home values usually increase the longer you own a home, period. And this is called appreciation. Simply means your value will likely to rise over time.
And Dennis, the number 2 reason is that you will build equity with each monthly payment, right? Each monthly payment pays down your mortgage as your house is going up in value, right? So that difference is called home equity. So you are building equity every day you make a payment.
And of course, the number 1 reason to buy a home, drum roll, you can control your housing payment. The 30-year fixed mortgage rate provides homeowners with a foundation for a stable monthly payment. Gone are the days of anxiously waiting to see what your rent's going to go up to next year when your landlord decides to raise it on you. Your principal and interest payment on a fixed rate mortgage stay the same for the entire life of that loan.
So I'll tell you, and I know a lot of people are getting letters about rents going up.
Oh, I know.
So you know what? Our question to you, Dennis, is that if the home is the biggest investment that you'll make for the rest of your life, why don't you want to start the rest of your life as soon as possible?
And we hope we answered that question, Dennis, for you.
Yep,
Appreciate
Dennis,
you sending it in.
And now let's get you pre-approved, Dennis, and get you ready to start the rest of your life by house hunting.
Yep, so call me, John, at 480-251-1152. We'll get you set up, or
call me, Rob, at 520-240-2189, and we'll be happy to answer any of your home mortgage-related questions. And remember, guys, at Academy Mortgage,
no loan is too big.
and no loan is too small.
When it comes to home loans,
Hey, we can handle them all, guys.
You know, Rob, that our best source of business comes from referrals and word of mouth?
You know what, it sure does, John. So we'd like to take a special minute and thank everyone for their trust in referring us to their friends, family, and anyone they know who are needing home loans or just have some home loan questions, guys.
And of course, your referrals are the key to our success. So again, thank you for helping us spread that word. We appreciate it very much.
Thank you very much. And guys, and thanks for tuning in, guys. I'm Rob.
And I'm John.
Hey, from Academy Mortgage. And we hope that you all have a
funky
fresh
Friday.
Hey, guys, and
please don't forget to like and share.
Guys,
share us below as well.
And guys, we want to wish everyone a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year's. And we sure want to make sure that we hope that we've made your day, guys. And we sure hope that you have a chance. Make someone else's day too, guys.
Thanks again, guys. Have a Merry Christmas.
Thanks again. Merry Christmas, guys.